Praise the Lord. Welcome to AIM. Guys, we're coming back home. I should have started a little bit earlier, but this is the side road here. We're coming up. Guys, we're riding on the top this time. This is the road going out of Accra, going towards Esawam. Okay? So we're headed back home. And yeah, I was busy running my mouth, and my husband reminded me about the road. Maybe he needed some quiet. I'm still talking though. I will still talk to you guys. So they got a lot going on. They're working up there. That they got us up here. We were going down on that road, remember? And coming up. But this time we came here. See where the gutter is? So they're getting there. They're filling it in some. Still quite bumpy. This is how it's looking over there. And hey, he's only going one way, guys. So no, you might say he's going the opposite way, but he is only going one way. Yep. There's the gutter. So obviously they'll fill this road in up to the gutter. Yep. See all of this. They put all those little forms. But now they have to go on that little road to access there. So I don't know. They'll access it up here somewhere and cut over to get on that road. So the people that live over here have to go on this little road and then get off. Let's see, they go up through there. See all the forms? Those are the forms that they use to make the wall and the gutter. There's a little booth thing. So we usually were passing over here, right? I think so. There's the green and yellow house with the red roof. Oh, I mean, it's a little better. It's still bumpy. We're doing 20 miles an hour, guys. 20. So like I always tell you, imagine if you can do 50, right? 50 miles an hour. That's a big improvement. That gets you places a lot faster. But we're doing 20. So they put a guardrail there. I think that was there though. And a little fence. It looks nice. This is the part of the road. They have it on the other side too. I don't know who did those, but they look nice. Echo block. There's the Pokwasi. Straight ahead. And this is Pokwasi Interchange. I'm learning, guys. Over there you go to Quabrinya. And the other one? Awushi.
Yeah, you're doing good.
I'm trying. Quabrinya. Maybe next time I'll say it right the first time. So this is what it's looking like, guys. Yep, you've seen this one. This was already done. There's the walkway. So you can imagine, now we're doing 60, right? 60 on this part. So you can imagine if you can do that speed the whole way, right? I mean, it's going to cut a lot of time. You do your math and calculations and figure that one out. How much time would you save going 10 miles if you were going 20 miles an hour, and then if you switch to go 60 miles an hour in that 10 miles? You know, it'd save a lot of time. That's what we're saying. Our particular area and our house value will go up, definitely. Although, I mean, without the road, it more than quadrupled in 6 years. More than quadrupled. Just the value of our land, not counting having a house on it and all that, having a borehole, not all that, but just the land itself, the plots that we have, has more than quadrupled in 6 years without the road being done. So now that the road is going to be done, it's gonna really skyrocket. So we thank God for what he's doing. This is looking super nice. Guys, let me know in the comments, what do you think about the progress? Those of you who have been following the road progress, what do you think about it? I mean, it looks different to me every time. I see a lot of, I might not be able to point out exactly, but I see a lot of work that's been done. Especially the casting of the concrete and the way they do it. They cast it, you know, section by section, little by little. And it's really coming along quick. These gutters. This is the International Central Gospel Church we pass all the time to give you guys a landmark. Yep. I know they'll probably be glad to be right off the main road here, because where we were riding on the road, that was way far. We were riding all the way over here, going and coming. So before they started this road project, we were riding way over there because that place was always way off in the distance. And this crosswalk is new. So you see how it's going to be, guys. It's very, very nice. And here they made it so the slope isn't too bad. I don't know if they're actually using it right now, but I think they're using this. Yeah, they're using the steps. So the place looks nice. I'm excited to see everything when it's done. They have put the gravels there, and there's all the pavers, I guess. That's what somebody had said, that those are pavers, guys. So we'll see how that's being used. I'm not a road construction person. I don't really know. So they have covered this part of the gutter over.
Might be road to the other side.
Okay. They're making it so you can access the other side there. It's really coming along nice. So guys, we're back to 15 miles an hour. Yep, 15. Because they're just little bumps, right? You see? Some of them are big. You have to actually go to 2 miles an hour or something. It has some nice produce. I'm curious to see where all the sellers are going to go when the road is finished. I guess they'll be on the access roads. Yep. Somebody has a... Is that a mailbox? It looks like they had a metal mailbox made into like maybe a toolbox. We don't have mailboxes here, guys. No bills coming in the mail. Nope. So, like I said, this Chocho place here people will not be pulling over in the middle of the road.
What driver say?
People will not be driving in the middle of the road and just stopping. And they do it a lot. See, there's construction going on here, guys. The pillars. I'm guessing the road is going to be up there, because that's the only thing they use those type of pillars for, is the road up there. There's the market. Amasaman, right?
Yeah.
Amasaman Market. So you see where we are. So we'll see how these pillars end up. See how they're doing the iron rods in the middle? Yeah, so this one, they're working on it. So we'll see how that comes along. There's a Prestige Herbal Clinic, to give you another landmark. Oh, they're really doing work over here. Putting the sand and, well, the dirt and those kinds of things. They're digging this out, I guess. I don't know why they're digging that out, but we'll see. You guys stay tuned. They're working over there. See, every day we come, they're working. Every day. This is a Sunday. Oh yeah, I didn't tell you guys on this video. It is May 5th, 2024. Yep. So we have this documented, so you can look back in the future. You can look back and say, "Oh, wow, this project," and I'm enjoying the road very well now. I see how the project went along. Gonna be another crosswalk here. You see how they started the ramp over there. So, yep, another place for people to cross where it will be safe.
The water is going.
Yep. They had to put the water on the road to keep the dust down. There's the iron rods they're putting together. They put those together by hand, guys. And you see the forms they put up by hand. By hand. And then this is how it ends up after they cast the concrete in there. So it has all those iron rods in it. Here's the water. This is part of the road construction too. So we did get the truck washed yesterday. So you see the forms. So section by section, they put the forms there with the crane and fasten it, and then they pour the concrete in. There's a lot of iron rods in these walls. This road project is expensive. Very expensive. Just when you look, like when you're building something small and you see the price of cement and iron rods, I mean, It's not a joke. It's not a joke. It's very expensive, and yeah, they're not skimping on it. You know, you might think, oh, the company, maybe they'll skimp on it a little and just leave a few out. But I haven't seen that at all. I've seen them put a lot of iron rods in there. So here's another water truck we're passing. So they got two, I guess, on this stretch. So there is the red, black, and yellow house for another landmark for you guys. And this, I'm guessing the road is going to go up here and then come back down. This, I think underneath is going to be a circle, like a traffic circle is what I'm guessing. Or it could just be a straight through road, but I think this might be the place where they've noted on the picture. But we'll see. We'll have to watch. Like I always say, guys, there's pictures on this wall. So you can pause the video right there where the picture is and blow it up and see what the projected plan for this is. So it's a little dirty now. You might have to go back to previous videos to really get a good picture of it. But yeah. There it is. When you're riding in the back of the truck like that and you pass the water, I guess you can get you a little shower. You see how tall that wall is? And the iron rods, guys, they're all the way through the walls. Yeah, so this whole place, I'm guessing we're gonna ride, when we ride on here, we'll be going up. Way up. And then the road will, I guess, come back down at some point over there. It's a lot of work. They're really filling this in a lot. And over here, you see they're working on it over there. The gutters are in the back. You see the forms. So they're building the gutters up. So the road will be up very high. So this is a Total Energies at Pobyman. So you guys can know another landmark, Pobyman. Guys, I think I'm gonna let you go at that. Till next time, God bless you.